Hi everybody, welcome back to Carolyn Life. I'm Carolyn and this is my life. Today we're opening a Christmas card that was delivered to my P.O. box. I'm trying to... Oh, it says Merry Texas, or Texmas. It's got a cow. Let's read and see who's from. Wishing you and yours health, happiness, and love this holiday season and into the new year. Love y'all, Wanda, Daniel, and Brian from Cruising for Food. Thanks a lot, Cruising for Food. I'll put this on the mantle next to all my other cards. See, there's all the cards. If you guys would like to get to know any of these people, they're all part of the Chad Cruisers group on Facebook. They're lovely people. Get to know them. Join today. They're wonderful people. This package here is from the one and only Food Cat. We did a box swap with just her and I for the Christmas holiday season. Let's open her up. Look at this cute card to Carolyn from Cat. Oh, and it's got her favorite and my favorite too. It's got the Grinch. I think we might watch that tonight, the Grinch. So there's a card. And then we got some tissue paper. Oh, and then we got some foozles. Got foozles. Oh, and look, guys. Look, I'm going to have to move the foozles. Dad's going to have fun with the vacuum and with foozles. We love a foozle, though. Don't get me wrong. Yay, foozles. Okay. Now let me just see if I can... Are these, like, attached? Okay. This one here. Oh, it's a hot cocoa with marshmallows attached. This is super fun. I love hot cocoa. These will be wonderful. Thank you, Food Cat. That's going to be fun. Reaching down in here some more. And then, hold on, we got another. Looks like hot. Oh, and I just seen what these are. These are Cat in the Hat hot cocos. How cool is that? Has a little candy cane, some marshmallows. We're gonna dig further in the box now.
And plus it's cat. Cat.
Oh, and then here's my favorite, the Grinch. The Grinch, and it's hot cocoa. Hopefully it doesn't smell like stunk. Because that's what he smells like. Let's see. This is something wrapped in our favorite sparkly tissue paper. Because sparkly tissue paper is just better. I'm going to hand this to my assistant to open the tissue paper. It's kind of heavy. I don't know whether she gave me a lump of coal, but I hope not. Because, you know. Look at the sparkly tissue. Sparkly tissue.
This is cute.
And then, what is it? Oh, it's cute. It's a little shoe ornament. I have to put that on my shelf up there by the rest of my stuff for Christmas. Because that's what I'm doing this year. I have a shelf that I put stuff on. Okay, let's keep going. Exploring more in the box.
There's a lot of stuff in here.
Holy moly! I'm spoiled. Oh, this will be good. Moose Munch popcorn. I don't know who she was talking about when she said her box wasn't very fancy. I'm very spoiled at this point.
I'll eat that.
Oh, and then look at the paper. Let's just take a minute because the paper is amazing. I love the paper because you got Cindy Lou Who and you got, what's the little dog's name? Anybody know what the little dog's name is? I don't know.
I don't know.
Let's see.
No. Let me help you.
Doesn't rattle, doesn't make any noise. I don't think it's a book. I don't think it's anything. That's what we do. We put it over our head, try to guess what it is.
It's a Grinch-tastic Christmas.
Oh my goodness! Yay! A Funko Pop! I love a Funko Pop. And it's a Star Wars one, which is my favorite. Star Wars. And this is that lady from The Mandalorian that I can't pronounce their names because I never can pronounce their names. But how cool is that? Oh my goodness.
Yes, cola.
And then on the, show them the back so you can see all the ones you can get. Oh, that is so cool. Thank you, Kat. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. That's my second or my third Funko Pop. I have another one from No Maps Needed Travel. No, this box feels kind of, I don't know. Should we see what it is? Open it up.
Say, oh, magic hands. Can you open it up?
Oh, magic hands. Open it up. Through the magic of television, small screen, low budget studio that we have at my house, we're going to open this paper.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my goodness. Boba Fett. I love Boba Fett.
Okay. That is cool. Very nice.
Oh my goodness. I love Boba Fett.
Very nice.
I love it. So cool. Thank you. I have two in the same collection. And there's still more. Guys, there's more in this box. I'm so spoiled.
Can you do it? Or do you want the magic hands?
The magic hands. I think it's a, I don't know what it is. Okay. All right. It's an envelope of some sort. Ooh, I think it. Maybe you know what it is. Oh, it's a I think a Voldemort pin. I think. I love it though. It's either Voldemort or Star Wars. But I love it. This package is so cool, and it just keeps on going. And here's my dad's favorite thing, foozles. He loves the foozles. I'm just kidding, because he's the Mr. Vacuum. He's got another, look at my face, look at the lovely package. And maybe Is it dog treats, Velvet? Velvet's looking very, very attentively. Oh no, it's something else. Oh, look it.
Oops.
Oh my goodness.
Disney thing.
Oh my goodness. It's an honorary citizen of Disneyland pin. That is so cool.
That is
oh my
cool.
God. That is like, I don't even know what to say at this point. This is like amazing. And then, oh look at, I got another pin. It says, I'm a guppy, and it's Flounder. Flounder is like my favorite little sidekick person. Thank you so much, Food Cat. You're like the best ever. I'm spoiled to death.
There's still more.
Oh my God, there's more. I thought I was done, and there's still more.
Yeah, you might be able to get that one.
I'm like flabbergasted, Cat. I can't. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got like stickers. Look how cool this is. I got stickers of all the Who's.
The Who's that are in Whoville. Very cute. Very cute.
And then, this is really cool. I got a little golden book of Snow White. Very awesome.
An original.
Very cool. I love little golden books. And then, oh my goodness. Cat, you did too much.
Oh,
It's a travel,
travel kit that you put in your suitcase.
a travel kit. This will be so, oh my gosh, Cat. I'm like so, I don't even know what to say anymore. This is awesome. I could use this when I go on vacation in March. But I don't even know what to say. If everybody could comment down below what the best thing in this box was. If you could pick one, because I sure can't. Thank you to my friend, the Food Cat. If you don't know her channel, you should go over there and check it out. And as she says, stay hungry for food and hungry for life. As always, remember, you are enough. Have a great day.